panels. So huge data will be getting generated. Likewise, in Tamil Nadu plant, they make about 4,000 into 10, around 40,000 solar panels they make. So this much data should be stored for next 25 years. So this is the strategy we built and we have given to them. Earlier they took from UK consultants. Later we have developed indigenously and deployed it. So this is for quality. This solution, both IT and OT, we have charged just 2.5 lakh, where we have given about 16 sensors. We have given one IoT edge device, and then we have given the software where supervisor can schedule for each operator. These are the elements you should weld today, and these are the recommended voltages and currents. And then whatever he is monitoring, whenever it is crossing beyond 10% of the recommended values, we will alert to the supervisor and alert to the operator. So this is a simple way of whatever the gaps. Earlier, I think today another biggest problem with MSMEs, for MSMEs, is manpower. Olden days, ethical manpower were there. Today, people wants to take rest. So you give the work. If the cycle time is 10 minutes, he wants to do it quickly in 2 to 3 minutes and take the rest remaining times by increasing the voltage and current. So this kind of things, if you want to really address, only technology can address. So this is a simple solution we have given, and even German client can able to see sitting from here. So we also came out with another solution, that is it is a hardware. There are 3 players in the world who has developed this. We also made an attempt. Now we are getting traction from Tagutech, and even Kennametal has come forward. So we developed a smart tool holder where during the machining is happening. So I just want to, as it is a technical also, so I just want to say that whatever data you get it from CNC controllers, even though it is a real time, it has a limitation of 0.5 to 1 second. So you cannot take any action in 1 second. So then people are coming out with the vibration sensors, or people mount some acoustic sensors and do some corrective action. They do high-speed controls like tool collision, like Marposs has demonstrated today. So whenever you want to take actions, when a spindle is running at 10,000, 50,000 or 1 lakh revolutions per minute, so the events happen at 1 revolution, that we need to capture it. That is not possible with simple an edge device where the data rates from the sensors are very, very less. So we need to have high-speed data capturing devices. So what we have done is, during the cutting action is going on, so whatever the tool is experiencing, so we have a strain sensors, vibration sensor. Through that we are capturing. You can see that around the smart tool holder, we have mounted the sensors. So it is capturing data from the sensors. Then wirelessly it is transmitting, because that is as it is rotating at high speed. There is only way is wireless communication. Then what we are going to measure? We are measuring axial force, torque, bending moment X and bending moment Y. Using this, what we can do it? We can use it for process, optimizing the process parameters. You can use it for tool collision detection. You can use it for progressive tool wear. You can do it. I think in India, I don't see any implementations happened in smart tool holder. As far as I know, Kennametal bought 2 from ProMicron Germany, but otherwise very less players are there as of now. But every aerospace manufacturing company should have at least one this kind of technology, so that you can, because the materials keep evolving, so you can use it as a testing device. So I think for any of the contacts, you can contact our business team. They are the point of contact for all CMTI activities. On this occasion, I request all of you to visit CMTI. You can explore what is happening. If it is a real challenge, we will take up. If 10 MSMEs join together and come out with a common problem, go to your association and come to CMTI. Definitely, we can able to contribute to you. Thanks.